Doubly linked list can be traversed both forwards and backwards. For example, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and it can also be traversed as 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, whereas the singly linked list can only be traversed forwards. Next, I'll be explaining a visual representation of the doubly linked list. In this example, the linked list will hold 4 nodes and will also include a previous pointer. So in the first node, we have our variables, which we called as A. Our next node is going to be referred to as B. Our third node is going to be referred to as C. And our fourth one will be referred to as D. Now, right off the bat, you can recognize that this linked list looks a little bit different than singly linked list. It has a previous pointer. That is the main difference between the two. The previous pointer refers to the previous node. In our output, when displayed, we have a forward traversal. Our output will be A data, B data, C data, and D data. But when we traverse it backwards, we will have D data, C data, and B data, and then A data. So that is the reverse of our forward traversal. Now, going into depth in this linked list, we have a next pointer. The next is referring to the next node. So our A data will refer to the B, and then so forth and so forth. We also have a head and tail, as also seen in our singly linked list. The difference between the two is the previous data and the traversals. You can move both forward and backwards. The linking of the linked list is seen in the pointers in the next and the previous. I hope you were able to get a better understanding of the doubly linked list. Next, we'll be moving on to our demo of the doubly linked list, or in other words, the implementation of the code. I would also like to add that we have 3 boxes over here. In our singly linked list, we only had 2 boxes. This is because we, again, emphasizing that previous pointer, and again, this has a head and a tail. In our singly linked list, we only have a head. Hope this was helpful, and we will be moving now to the implementation of the code. Thank you everyone for watching. Happy coding, and please subscribe and give this video a thumbs up for more coding content. Have a great day.